Bitcoin's soaring journey faces turbulence. Whales holding over 1,000 Bitcoin are cashing out, fueling concerns of a major correction. Analysts predict a downturn, with Bitcoin potentially plunging to $30,000. Buckle up for a rollercoaster ride in the crypto seas. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So we're starting off with this. Look at this week, someone sitting on the bid hard, as basically we can understand what it actually means. Write down in the comments to say what you think about this one. Next, all shorts in MicroStrategy are deeply underwater. You don't have to be a rocket scientist like Sailor to know they will be forced to capitulate and send the stock to the moon, because the Bitcoin is growing and the stocks on MSTR are actually growing too with it. Impressive, but did they ever report how many people ended up on the streets when Bitcoin hit $15,000? As Bitcoin's latest rally is creating around 1,500 millionaire wallets a day. That's huge. Leveraged Bitcoin longs gamblers are getting wrecked because of this dip. In legacy markets, there would be so many things preventing gamblers from being liquidated. Next up, BlackRock clients are buying the dip as IBIT has almost $2 billion in volume already. We're all going to $1 million per coin because the denominator is broken. Biden unveils a $7.3 trillion budget for fiscal year 2025. Just make it $1 quadrillion already. The next stop we go for, Bitcoin and exchanges is at the lowest level of it's been in 6 years. The next stop we go for, Bitcoin ETFs are transitional devices to onboard millions of investors. In the not too distant future, this decade, once there's a sufficient acceptance and exposure IMO, you will be able to withdraw all or some Bitcoin from the ETF, as there is no legal or logistical reasons why this won't eventually happen. Just screenshot this. Also, how it will play out, Bitcoin halving in just 38 days, retail and Wall Street gets FOMO, Bitcoin flips gold, small countries start to print, Bitcoin flips bonds, large country starts to print, Bitcoin flips equity, Bitcoin flips real estate, Bitcoin becomes global currency. The next one we go for, if it wasn't for Bitcoin in my life, I would have already had a nervous breakdown or two. Every time I remember I'm a whole plus coiner plus I smile, my heart fills with joy and my brain is at peace. With this type of emotional attachment, I could never sell my Bitcoin. I probably would become suicidal if I sold. So thank you Satoshi, thank you Bitcoin fam for the insights that there is no second best. You can think I'm cringe as fuck, but whatever, I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Bitcoin fam is growing. Interesting fact of Bitcoin price since 25th of January, when it was under the 40k. Once GBTC outflows decreased on the uptrends and sideways following this cycle, price pump reaching the new range, exhausting and selling pressure, sideways pass, selling pressure exhausted, ready to go up, back to point 1, the power of the Bitcoin spot ETFs. And also to the main news, as Bitcoin whales with over 1,000 Bitcoin each cash out profits, a correction ahead. Bitcoin, the world's largest crypto, recently witnessed an impeccable surge and extended beyond 72,000 with a new all-time high. However, significant long liquidations have been noted for Bitcoin amidst the price rally. Moreover, crypto analysts have also pointed towards a major correction in future. So, Bitcoin whales cash out profits. According to an observation by Ali Martinez, a popular crypto analyst on X platform, Bitcoin whale addresses have been aggressively cashing out profits, as he referred to a screenshot from Glassnode and noted that the number of the Bitcoin whale addresses with over 1,000 Bitcoin has been declining. In the last 2 weeks, the number of these Bitcoin whales addresses has plunged by 5%. So, the major liquidations could lead to a massive pullback in Bitcoin price, as moreover $30 million worth of Bitcoin long positions have been liquidated in the past 24 hours. And according to CoinGlass, while the amount is relatively lesser than average long liquidations, its impact cannot be ignored since the Bitcoin price is peaking currently. Furthermore, Michael Van de Poppe and other crypto analysts lauded Bitcoin's recent price rally, as he said Bitcoin's reaching a new all-time high and is showing a lot of strength. However, Pope underscored his shift to to altcoins amidst the Bitcoin price surge. So this shift is attributed to the correction as he envisions in the Bitcoin price trajectory, as Pope expects a correction of up to 20 to 30% in Bitcoin's value and believes that shifting to altcoins could be a hedge against losses. Moreover, the recent liquidations by Bitcoin whales could catalyze this correction. As Bitcoin price attains all-time high, Bitcoin registered a fresh all-time high of 73,000 on Monday, March 11th. However, the crypto witnessed a slight slump later and extended below the $72,000 mark, and at the press time, the Bitcoin price was down by 0.45% to 72,000 on Tuesday, March 12th. So the Bitcoin price extended into a red owing to massive volatility caused by significant liquidations and diminishing whale holdings. Moreover, the 24-hour trade volume for Bitcoin slipped by 4% to $52 billion, whilst it displayed a market cap of $1.4 trillion. And in addition, the Bitcoin options volume slumped by 40% to $626 million, owing to options expiry, expediting volatility. On the other hand, the Bitcoin open interest figure recorded a 135% gain to 36 billion, marking a positive development. The next one, Bitcoin fog operator found guilty of laundering millions of dollars. So the operator of the crypto mixer Bitcoin Fog was found guilty on March 12th of helping to launder millions of dollars from darknet markets associated with illegal activities. And according to Bloomberg, a federal jury in Washington convicted 35-year-old Roman Sterlingov of all 4 charges after 2 days of deliberation. Key details of the case. So Sterlingov has initially charged in 2021 with money laundering and operating an illegal money transfer service. The government stated that hundreds of millions of dollars entered Bitcoin Fog, with $78 million coming from known darknet markets. Sterlingov, who denied running Bitcoin Fog, faces up to 20 years in prison, as according to Bloomberg, during the trial, the government had testimonies from other crypto criminals, including Ilya Lichtenstein and Larry Harmon. Lichtenstein admitted last year to money laundering conspiracy charges related to the 2016 hack of the crypto trading platform Bitfinex, as Harmon confessed to operating the Bitcoin mixing service Helix and pleaded guilty to money laundering in 2021. As a crypto market and legal proceedings, on the witness stand, Sterlingov told the court that he did not remember creating the Bitcoin Fog domain name and doubted he had done so. And according to Bloomberg, his lawyer also stated that there was no evidence that Sterlingov operated Bitcoin Fog. So crypto mixers have been under scrutiny by lawmakers and the US government in recent years. So the Treasury Department's Office of Foreign Assets Control has sanctioned several cryptocurrency mixers over the years, as including Tornado Cash and Sindbot. Some lawmakers in Washington have expressed concerns about how difficult it can be to trace the flow of money through crypto mixers. So concerns about the crypto market continues to grow day by day, as the crypto assets often used for illegal money transfers are increasingly in the spotlight, as especially following market bankruptcies. Many countries, including the US and the UK, are trying to address the process with strict legal sanctions directed at the crypto market. So that's kind of all the news we got on the Bitcoin so far, and if you're interested in more, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.